Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Russian Language Learning Easily. This is my first video, so please everyone support me. I will try to my best to teaching Russian language in English. Today I will discuss with you about Russian language. If you know all the grammar of this language, then you can easily master this language. Everybody will see Привет. It's it's pronunciated in Russian language. Привет. Привет. Привет means hi. Привет means hi. Привет means hi. Imagine you are walking on the street. You suddenly meet your friend. What will you tell to your friend then? Of course, you will say hi or hello to your friend. Then you will say that how are you? He will answer that feel good or bad. Here, here, привет. Привет means hi. Pay, pay. It's pronunciate in Russian language like P, P, like P, like P. It is Russian alphabet. It is English alphabet, but pronunciation is different. It's pronounced in Russian pay, pay. It's pronounced in Russian pay. It's pronounced in English p. Second letter, this. It it's pronounced in English p. In English p. But it's pronounced in Russian air, like R, R. It's pronounced in Russian air, like R. I hope you are all understand. Then, then this its alphabet. E, E. It's pronounced in Russian E, like E. It's pronounced in Russian E, like E. Then It's pronounced in English B. It's pronounced in English B. But when we pronounce it in Russian, then pronunciation will be different. Such as B, English B, in Russian V, like V, V, like V. It's pronounced in Russian V. It pronounced in Russian V, like V, like in English V, like in English V. This word E, E. It's pronounced in English E. In English, it's pronounced E. But when we pronounce it in Russian, it will be pronounced E. E. It will be pronounced in Russian E. E. When we pronunciation in Russian, it will be pronounced in ear, but it pronounced in English E. This word T, it pronounced in English T. It pronounced in English T, but when we pronounce it in Russian, it will be pronounced Te. It will be pronounced Te. Te. I hope you are all understand these letters. So this word will be pronounced Privyet. This word will be pronounced Privyet. Privyet means hi. Privyet means hi. Privyet. Privyet. Privyet means hi. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте means hello. Здравствуйте means hello. Здравствуйте. This character or this letter, it's called in Russian Z. Z. It's called in Russian Z. 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 It's called in Russian Z. Then this word. It's called in Russian they. It's called in Russian they. Like in English D. Like in English D, but it called in Russian they. Called in Russian they. Air. Air. It's called in Russian air, but it's called in English P. It's called in English P, but when we pronunciation in Russian, it will be pronounced air. Like in English R. Like in English R. Ah. Ah. It's pronounced. It pronounced in English A. Like about. 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 But when we pronounce it in Russian, it will be pronounced A. It will be pronounced A. A. It will be pronounced in Russian A. This word bhe. It will be pronounced in English B. It will be pronounced in English B. In English B. But when we pronounce it in Russian, it will be pronounced bhe. Like in English bhi. Like in English bhi. So it will be pronounced in Russian bhe. Like in English bhi. See, it will be pronounced in English C. C. But when we pronounce it in Russian language, it will be pronounced S. Like S. Like S. Like in English S. So it will be pronounced in Russian S. S. It will be pronounced in Russian S. Te. It will be pronounced in Russian te. It will be pronounced in Russian bhe. It will be pronounced in Russian u. U. It will be pronounced in Russian u. 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 It will be pronounced in Russian u. It will be pronounced in Russian u. It will be pronounced in Russian ikratkaya. It will be pronounced in Russian ikratkaya. It will be pronounced in Russian te. It's pronounced in Russian te. It will be pronounced in Russian ye. So its word, its word pronounced Здравствуйте in Russian. So its word will be pronounced Здравствуйте. 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 Here, bhe, bhe, silent. So this word will be pronounced Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте means hello. Здравствуйте means hello. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте means hello. I hope you are all better understand. Bye bye.